The ChilliChump Big and Tall competition for 2023 should be well underway. Hopefully you have some plants that are some real contenders for this year. If you're in the Southern Hemisphere, you still have a chance to submit an entry because you should be at the end of your harvest, I'm guessing, at this point. And it's the same as previous years. The big part of the competition is the heaviest chili, and the tall part of the competition is the longest chili. Now, just to clear up some confusion from last year, this is open to any part of the capsicum genus. Now that includes bell peppers. Bell peppers are Capsicum annuum, so that's the species annuum, which is exactly the same as jalapenos. They're also part of Capsicum annuum. So if it's part of the capsicum genus, you can make an entry with your chili pod. Now that that's cleared up, let's get to the point of this video. I'm announcing the prizes. We have a fantastic sponsor for the prizes this year from the guys at Let Pot. Thank you so much. Now, one of the prizes is right behind me over there. It's a hydroponic system, but it doesn't have to be. It can be used with soil as well. It's a brand new one. Don't worry, not the one that I'm using because I'm keeping that. The other prize that Let Pot is giving me to give away to you guys is the Let Pot LPH Max. It's another hydroponic system, and it has a light on top and it's fully automated. This thing is seriously cool. I have done an unboxing on that. I have done a bit of a review on it as well, but I've been pretty pleased with it this year, and yeah, I've had some good output from that. So, two fantastic prizes from Let Pot. Thank you guys once again. You're very kind, and it really makes these competitions a bit more fun. I'll leave some links down below to not only the Let Pot MP1 system and also the Let Pot LPH Max, including my review of it. I'll also leave a link down below for how you can submit your entries for the competition. Good luck to all of you. I hope that you do fantastically and look forward to seeing all those entries. Until the next video, thank you for watching and stay spicy. I nearly forgot to mention to come and check out my free public Discord server. I'll leave an invite down below in the description so you can get yourself chatting with a bunch of like-minded people, people that watch my channel, people that grow chilies and make hot sauces and all that sort of thing. Plus, I've just gone and added a brand new channel on there, which again is open to the public, and that is for the Big and Tall competition. So you guys can compare progress and get sneak peeks as to what other people are getting up to.